Hi everyone, it's Jamie from Stuffs and Things by JD, and today we're going to do another hot pink tulip wreath. This one is for Doris in Florida, so thank you so much, Doris, for supporting my small business. I hope you see this video so you can see your wreath being made, and let's get started. Alright, here we go. Let's get started with our base, and you know I like to put ficus down on my base just to build that out and provide a stable foundation for those beautiful tulips. So I'm going in with some green ficus, and then I will put in some beautiful variegated ficus. Just putting this all around. You'll see me, I just threw in a zip tie there. Again, that's just marking where I like to put my bow, and it makes it a lot easier for me when I'm ready to put in the bow. Alright, so you'll see I put that variegated ficus in, and so next we're going to go in and we're going to use our first kind of fern, and I have used anywhere from 4 to 5 to 6 different kinds of fern in a tulip wreath. So this one today has 6 different kinds, but you'll see we're just adding that greenery in there to, again, just build that base and bring those ferns out. You want to make sure to fluff those fronds all the way out and go all the way around the whole entire shape. I like to call it a big C, but you want to make sure that that's all the way around and you don't have any holes and gaps. I'm going to finish that up, and now we're throwing in a next bundle of ferns that's made up of 3 different kinds of ferns here, but these are really beautiful, and they are almost just, you know, they're super bendable, but they are lovely. And you'll see me there, I'm hand tying a bow, so I use this standard black and white striped ribbon. I love it. It's very neutral, but looks really great with the hot pink tulips. I'm making a 7-loop bow with 4 tails. And you'll see me, I'll just go back in and pop that in there where that zip tie is. Here we go. And of course, excuse my back. It's a little hard to video some of these from the angle so that you can see everything. But right there, I'm just snipping off the ends and fluffing those around, and folding those tails around into a curl. And now I'm adding in some fern right in the middle of that bow. I like to make it look like the ferns are growing out of the bow, and it just incorporates that bow more. I hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe to my channel, and of course give me a follow. I always like to come in here and make the client's tulip wreath. So as you see here, Doris has asked for hot pink, so I'm putting in these hot pink Real Touch tulips. And each wreath gets 10 tulips spread throughout this beautiful 18-inch grapevine. Alright, so now we are going to go in with our last different kind of fern. These are really just fillers. I'm filling in those holes. And I'm also putting some in with the tulips, just to again make it look like the tulips are growing out of the fern instead of sitting on top of the ferns. And so I'm going all the way around with all of those, and again fluffing out those tails just to make sure that they're going to lay in the right spot and I don't have any holes that I need to fill in. Alright, we're almost done here. This is the last piece. So we're just going to stick that in, but again, if you like this, please give me a follow. And Doris, this one's on its way to you. And I hope you really